Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this video we will discuss about how to download and install latest version NetBeans IDE in your Windows operating system. So let's start my video. Before installing latest version NetBeans IDE, we need to download the latest version NetBeans IDE setup file. So here first I will show that how to download latest version NetBeans IDE setup file. So here I am use Chrome browser for downloading setup file. In the Google search bar type NetBeans download and search it. After that several websites will be open. You need to click on the first website. So here I am click on the first website apache.org. After that we have come to the official website homepage. Here you can see the latest version NetBeans IDE will be visible. Click on the simple download button to go to the next step. So here I am click on it. After that we have come to this page. Here you need to click on the exe. So click on the apache.netbeans.exe. After that we have come to this page. Here you can click on any one link. So I am click on the first link. After that my download will be started. We have already downloaded this file. So cancel it and go to our download folder and see the installation process. Here you can see the Apache NetBeans latest version setup file will be visible. Double click on it for the installation. So double click on it. After running setup file, this page will be appear first. If you want to customize installation, then click on the customize button. Otherwise simply click on the next button. So here I am click on the next button. Here accept all term and condition and click on the again next button. Here you need to select path where you want to install Apache NetBeans IDE. By default it is select the C drive. If you want to change it, then click on the browse button. And second one is the select Java JDK path. If you already installed Java JDK, by default it is select. If you not install, then it is necessary to first install Java JDK in your PC, then install NetBeans IDE. Otherwise you will get the error. After that you can simply click on the next button for the next step. And here no need to check the box update, simply click on the install button. After that your installation will be started. So wait some time and this process is completed. We will go to the next step, how to run Java program in Apache NetBeans IDE. So wait some time. Now installation process completed. So simply click on the finish button to finish it. And in the Windows search bar type NetBeans and open NetBeans IDE. When you open NetBeans IDE first time, this page will be appear first. Now in the NetBeans IDE, if you run Java program, so first you need to create a project, because without creating project it is not possible to run Java program in NetBeans IDE. So here I am so how to create a new project in NetBeans IDE. Then I will write a simple Java program and run this program. For creating new project, click on the file menu, then select Java with and Java application, and here you need to write Java project name and click on the finish button. Then your project will be automatically created. Now here you can see the project created and the simple Java class will be created. Write a simple Java program here, system.out.print, and in the print box simple type hi and click on the run button to run Java program. Here you can see our program runs successfully and output will be visible. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for the watching this video. Please like and subscribe.